guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new, and I mean brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the very first in the Tricot Easy and Creative collection. It is a knitting collection, in case it wasn't clear by the knitting needles here. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, if you like knitting, if you like this collection as much as I do, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Partoner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links, as always, down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead and let's get to opening this thing so we can start knitting. Alright guys, so it comes with mini magazines and some flyers that I'm going to show you now. And here it says that the next collection will come with 2 more balls of yarn and 2 more knitting needles, or I should say a set of knitting needles. So very cool. And then here it says guarantee from Planeta DeAgostini, which just says that they guarantee that it's going to be like a good collection, that type of thing. And then here we have the first magazine. It says Tricot, creative and easy. And it says learn how to knit nice and original projects. And of course, guys, this collection is from Planeta DeAgostini, as I said before. Let's open this up. Here it shows like a little thing to put like a tablet in, like a protector. And here it talks about how it shows you how to make different projects. And here it talks about how they walk you through step by step. And here it shows you that they're going to show you also how to make blankets, it seems. And here it gives you like explanations for all of the different types of stitches, which is very cool. It's going to be very useful. And well, guys, that's the end of this magazine. We're gonna go to the next. Let me just move it aside. Here we go. Tricot, easy and creative. It says that it gives you clear technical directions step by step. It teaches you how to make an iPad case, a scarf, very cool. Let's see. Let's open this up. It also shows you how to make a coffee or tea cozy. And then here it just walks you through like step by step of how to do it. And you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Would you like to see videos of me trying to make these different projects? If so, tell me down in the comments below. Then it goes on to tell you how to make the scarf. Very cool. Teaches you different stitches, different patterns. Which is really cool. That's really cool. I want to know how to do that. That's going to be really awesome. Here it shows you how to cast on, or how to put the yarn on the needles. I would have thought that they would have put that like in the beginning. Oh well. And then here it shows you how to close the stitches. And then here it gives you the different sizes and the abbreviations. that sort of thing. And here it shows you the second. And guys, make sure to stay tuned for that because we're definitely going to be doing that. You just tell me if you would like to see me attempting to do these projects. Tell me down in the comments below. Alright guys, so first up we have this like purple yarn that came with it. Made in Italy, Planeta DeAgostini. Simply stylish, it says. And this is 25 grams of yarn. I'm going to show you the other yarn that we got, which is gray. Again, simply stylish, double knitting, 25 grams. Made in Italy, and of course Planeta DeAgostini. Tell me guys, what color do you like the most? The gray or the purplish color? Tell me down in the comments below. And guys, here's the main event, the knitting needles. And now guys, I've knit for quite some time, but I only ever got to like a basic stitch. So I'm pretty excited to learn more stitches, to learn how to do more projects, because kind of now my height of my ability is like to make a blanket or like a scarf. But well, going back to these are size 4 knitting needles. There you have the tops there, pins there, and they're the same all around. I really look forward to doing these projects, and you guys tell me, would you like to see a video where I do these projects and you can see how I do them? Tell me down in the comments below. Would you like to do this knitting project with me? Tell me down in the comments below. Maybe I can do it like a live stream or something, because these knitting projects are, I think, kind of long. Or maybe a video. You guys tell me what you guys prefer. Tell me down in the comments below. I always look forward to hearing what you guys think, and I really like to know what you guys think we should do. So tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this collection. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-to, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.